Hi, guys, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm so glad that you're here. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We would love to have you. Now, in the video today, it is one that I almost didn't post. Why? Because it causes me to be very vulnerable because the painting is not working at all. But I am determined to make this painting come alive. It's just not working. However, there's a lot to learn in this because I am an abstract painter, as you know, and I want to do a series of women's faces, and I want to learn how to do this. But my idea in here is that I don't want them to look like, I don't want to learn all the skin tones and so forth. I want to be loose and I want to be free. And so when they're not turning out, I think, okay, so then what am I going to do? And you will learn what I do in this video. So watch it, leave me a comment, let me know, because I know some people are just not going to like it at all. And those that will, I hope you learn a bunch from it. But I will see you there, and I'm just warning you. But get out some popcorn and let's have some fun. So I'll see you there. Okay, here we go. We've got the drawing on the left, of which is bad because it's too simplistic. And it's on an ampersand board that has been had a painting on it or wiped it off. It's been dry for a very long time. It's a mess. And so I'm going to do the drawing over this. So I'm just taking a regular pencil. I bet it's probably a 4. And I'm going to be drawing the subject on there just to see if I can, I want to place her correctly. And I have great ideas about this. So we'll see what happens. So now we're getting ready to add some paint. And we've got the drawing on it. And so here we go with the paint. And I love to do hair. I think hair is so much fun. You can just put your brush strokes on and you leave it. You can put all colors on. You can have drips. I love it. And hair is just a wonderful way to express yourself. If you want really wonderful hair, then I like messy hair. The other thing that I did not want to do was I did not want to have particular skin color. I want the skin to be different. This is more of an abstract type realism on a portrait. And that was my intent, at least. And so here we are. We're trying to figure this out. We've got all kinds of things going on, but you notice I am not putting on skin color. I love to do the drips, by the way. And people ask how I do the drips. And I merely load my brush with oil and add some Gamsol. And it's so much fun. So I'm just trying to fill in the background to say, what do I want? How do I want this? And of course, immediately I see, but I don't do anything about it right now, is that the shoulder's in the wrong place. To me, sometimes it's hard for people to figure out the background and how to incorporate the figure into the background. And so this is one of the ways that I do it. I do it as I go, rather than waiting till the end. So I'm taking a paper towel. I'm not real pleased with the black. Don't really know what to do. She's not looking like I want her to look. So, I'm kind of like, don't know what to do here, but we're just going to keep going. This is just the beginning stages, guys. I mean, I'm having fun. I'm having lots of fun. Mixing colors that I would have never put on. I mean, I put on green, I put on blue, I put on purple. And then, of course, I come in and I do put on, some maybe cream color or something. But I want this to be a little less. Okay, now she's beginning to look very much like a floozy. Um, I'm not liking this. I'm not liking it at all. And so this is when I'm starting to say, I'm wondering, this is not going well. And so I'm just really trying my best, trying to figure out what am I going to do. And I bet you guys have had that situation as well. So now, when you don't know anything else to do, you add pink to the hair. Adding a window, kind of a window over there, just to give some interest to the right side since she's so on the left. Now let's just start all over. Let's wipe it all off. And I did. And now I'm going to start with a new one. I've drawn a new one on there. And so I have, notice all the black is gone. And so now I'm trying to figure out how I can do this figure and make it better. Different colors, different, but the same idea. And then I start saying, I don't like this one either. What am I going to do? Maybe let's start over again. Has this ever happened to you? I mean, this does happen to me, and I'm not one to give up. So I've drawn her back on, and it's a good thing this is an ampersand board because it has been wiped off. And what I do is I just take a rag with the Gamsol and just wipe the whole thing off. And, I leave some of the background just because that's what he has to leave. But this one seems to be going in a totally different direction. I've decided, okay, I'll wait on the hair. I love the hair, so I'm going to wait, see if I can do the face. And, of course, the face isn't working either. This has been over, say, 3 days or 4 days. And it's just, and then I thought, well, maybe I should have dark hair. And instead, because I usually do blondes or redheads because I love redheads. I just love redheads. And, she's got her features all really different. It's fun, though. Now I decided, hey, I like to do red hair. By George, this girl's going to have red hair. I don't care. And so red, here it goes. The people that do really good portraits, I am sure, are absolutely having a fit if they ever watch anything like this because, I'm in the process of learning and I want to learn how to do realistic abstracts, or abstract realism is really what it is. And, I love to do abstraction, but I want to do figures that are abstracted and not the norm. Now, succeeding at this takes time, as I'm sure you all know. Notice the background's totally different on this one than the other one, and actually I like the background much better. So now she's going to turn into not a floozy, but a really kind of sad girl. And I don't want to do sad girls. So guess what? I asked myself, is it time to give up? And then, of course, I say, Absolutely not. And I draw another girl on. Now, this one is where I am now. And I just want you guys to know that the next video should be able to see the final image, because I'm going to finish it this weekend. Will it succeed? I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to have fun. I'm going to play, and I'm going to make this the best I can be. But I wanted you to be able to see, sometimes, as I said before, it's good to know that you're not the only one struggling. So I'll see you next Thursday. I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.